Do you ever wondered how does Google show us relevant searches? Or how does Google translate an entire page into different languages within seconds? And how different pictures are sorted and kept in different folders into your phone gallery? These all applications of deep learning. So, let's understand what exactly deep learning is. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, while machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence. Now, first understand what is artificial intelligence. It is a technique that mimics human cognition in order to perform complex tasks and learn from them. While machine learning uses algorithms trained on data to produce adaptable models that can perform a variety of complex tasks. Now the deep learning is a branch of machine learning that involves the use of artificial neural networks. Neural networks are modeled after the structure and function of the human brain. Let's understand more about deep learning and how it's different from machine learning. A machine learning workflow begins with manually extracting important characteristics from images. After that, the characteristics are utilized to build a model that categorizes the objects in the image. Machine learning uses data reprocessing driven by algorithms, while relevant characteristics from images are automatically retrieved using a deep learning approach. Let's say if we create a machine that sorts and differentiates between tomato and plums and cherry. If done this using machine learning, we have to tell the features of each fruit based on its size, color, shape, and so on. On the other hand, in deep learning, the features are picked out by neural network itself without human intervention. And this kind of independence comes out at the cost of much higher volume of data to train a machine. With this increase in the data and most of the data being unstructured, deep learning algorithms play a vital role in the data revolution era. Let's understand the structure and working of deep learning algorithm and neural network in deep learning. Now, let's observe how each number is written in different ways. We as human beings can easily understand these digits even if they are slightly tweaked or written differently because we have written them and seen them millions of times. But how will you make a computer recognize these digits? That is where deep learning comes into the picture. Here's the neural network trained to identify handwritten digits. First we have the input layer. Consists of number of neurons where information processing takes place. On the other hand, we have the output layer with each neuron represented a digit and the hidden layers existing between them. There could be multiple hidden layers. These hidden layers are called deep neural networks. We can consider the digits as the input image. This image data is converted into 28 by 28 pixel, which means 784 pixels in total. Each of the 784 pixels are fetched to a neuron with this first layer of neural network means input layer. Each information is passed to another layer by a connecting channel between them. Each channel has a value associated with it and hence called the weighted channel. All neurons has a unique number associated with it called base. Each neuron with information is passed in the form of inputs, and the neuron multiplies the inputs with random weight values and adds a bias before calculation. A nonlinear or activation function is then applied to determine which particular neuron will determine the output. So, where is deep learning applied? Self-driving cars, autonomous vehicles are already on our roadways. Deep learning algorithms help determine whether there are other cars or humans around and react accordingly. Chatbots have gained popularity and appear on many websites. Chatbots powered by deep learning can increasingly respond intelligently to number of questions. In medical science, deep learning is helping scientists and to create personalized medicines and diagnose tumors and for other medical purposes.